Supreme Court took into consideration the parental anxiety when it comes to the schooling of children and said that children should not be sent to school at a very early age. The decision was taken keeping in mind the psychological health of the children. The bench was hearing an appeal by a group of parents challenging the minimum age criteria of 6 years for admission to Class 1 in Kendriya Vidyalaya for the upcoming academic session and alleged that the school suddenly changed the admission criteria for Class 1 to 6 years just 4 days before the admission process started in March 2022. The court said that there is no right age for admission to schools and children should not be forced as it could lead to a negative psychological impact. After Russia warned the world of the considerable risk over World War III and nuclear war, Ukraine has hit back at Moscow and remarked that Russia has lost its last hope. Ukraine's Foreign Minister Dmytro Kuleba responded to the warning and said that the talk of World War III only means that Moscow senses defeat in Ukraine and therefore the world must double down on supporting Ukraine so that European and global security can be safeguarded. Russia's Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov reinstated the risk of World War III and said that the danger is real and the world should not underestimate it. Supreme Court lashed out at the Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh governments and said that they had failed to take steps to prevent Dharam Sansads from being organized despite repeated unacceptable speeches at such events. The Supreme Court also sought to know what steps the state governments had taken to prevent such incidents. The court remarked that the state government cannot say that they don't know if the person is going to say something which disrupts peace and order if the speaker is the same. The court reprimanded the state governments and said that if the announcement for these events is made in prior, then why are necessary steps not taken to prevent it? Karnataka has made face masks compulsory in public areas amid the surge in COVID-19 cases in the country in general and the state in particular. The state government has also made spitting in such places a punishable offence. The order also states that the individuals should maintain a minimum distance of 2 feet from each other in crowded areas. Masks have been made compulsory in public places, workplaces and public transports, and a fine has also been ordered in case of non-compliance. A request for a judicial commission to probe the recent communal violence in Delhi's Jahangirpuri and 7 other states during Ram Navami was rejected by the Supreme Court on Tuesday. A bench of Justices L. Nageshwar Rao and B.R. Gavai dismissed the plea filed by Advocate Vishal Tiwari. The court further said that the relief which cannot be granted by the court should not be asked for. Mr. Tiwari in his plea had sought directions to hold an inquiry into the clashes that took place in Rajasthan, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat during Ram Navami.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.